hat they found. For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around.
Hi, and thank you for joining me on this tutorial. After you've chosen your slat number, make sure you sand them well. After sanding, then you're going to give the fence 2 coats, front and back. And you will also include painting and having full coverage on all the wires. Next up is painting the boots, and that will be to a black. You can have it all the way up to the wires if you prefer. The application of the hats with a small bead of hot glue in the front and in the back. Googly eyes are next. Make sure to place the eyes close together, but you can use any size your heart desires. A small hot glue bead across one of the triangle edges, and then place the nose in between the eyes. The mouth is made at a slant with 2 slightly slanted U shapes. Adding the scarves and making sure that they are all different. They do not have to be the same to give it its unique look. Time to add the buttons with the pom-poms. You can use 2. I chose 3 here, and some of them are hidden underneath the scarves. The final addition is the faux fur in a 1-inch or a 2-inch. You can fix it along the back side with a bead of hot glue.
That old silk hat they found. For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around.
Thank you very much for watching, and happy crafting!